YouTube, welcome back to another video with the House Money Investor channel. In today's video I got 6 great stock picks for you guys in today's red market, and we're going to look at 9 stocks that I just bought. If you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell if you want to follow my journey. If you want to know exactly when I started my challenge, how much money I've invested, how much money I've made, hit the description. I have all that explained down there in the description below. If you want any free stocks, free shares, hit one of the or all 4 of the affiliate links in the description, and feel free to follow me on any social media platform. The link is in the description. I do post about crypto and stocks daily. So let's jump into it. First pick I got for you guys today is Upstart, ticker UPST. If you caught my last video, you would have seen I was up pretty nicely on Upstart yesterday. And like I mentioned, you was going to see an immediate dip. And that's what happened. It was down like almost 30% today. So everything it gained yesterday pretty much gave it all back. So now would be your buying opportunity to get yourself into Upstart and see some of them long-term gains. Next we got Blink Charging. This is one of the best charging station stocks. They have, do your research, but they have a bunch of customers already signed up to the network, and they have I believe like 1,900 charging stations or something like that. Of course, Tesla and other companies made their own, but a lot of people are going with, a lot of companies are making EVs, and some of those EV companies, you can only charge their cars at those stations, so you can pay a monthly fee or whatever and get into Blink. They have the regular chargers, kind of like Tesla. They're coming out with some where you basically pull up, those concrete barriers you pull up to when you park that touch your bumper, or you pull your bumper up to it. They're going to have something similar to that, but it's going to charge your car when you pull up, kind of like a wireless charging, which is pretty cool. So this is ticker BLNK. I think I'm personally up like 300-something% in Blink. It's done very well for me, and it's not too late to get in because the EV space is still growing day after day. So take a look at Blink Charging. Next we got DermTech, ticker DMTK. Once again, another great stock pick, especially at the prices that it's at today. Then we got Innovative Industrial Properties, ticker IIPR. Nice industrial stock, give you exposure to that sector of the market. I believe industrials and raw materials will do very well in 2021 as the economy opens up. There's a shortage on house builds and things of that nature, so you'll see a lot of raw materials going out. A lot of commercial buildings getting built and repaired as well. So this is definitely a great industrial stock. Next we got ticker VOO, VOO. This is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, and this is pretty much like buying SPY, SPY. This is just Vanguard's version of it, and it pretty much just going to track the S&P 500. Do your research, look at the history of the S&P 500. As you would see, yeah, you do have volatile moments, you do have ups and downs, but overall, when in doubt, zoom out. You'll see that the chart is overall on an uptrend. So VOO is definitely a great pick. I love ETFs. It gives you a lot of diversification, lowers your risk, lowers the volatility, and this pretty much gives you the best 500 stocks in the New York Stock Exchange, all in one bundle for one low price of $358. If you don't have that type of money, buy some fractionals, stack them up. Next we have Delta Airlines, ticker DAL. Airline stocks are going to do very well in 2021. Economy is open up, people got a lot of money saved up, people want to travel, so this will definitely be a nice airline play for the future. Now we're going to look at 9 stocks that I just bought. Put $157 into Mohawk, ticker MWK. I got 4.36 shares at a strike price of $36. This was in Robinhood. Then I put $158 on ticker NCKY. TY. We got 4.32 shares at a strike price of $36.50. If you don't know these stocks, because I do invest in a lot of stocks that aren't mainstream. I mean, I have all the blue chips, all the mainstreams, all the stocks you're going to see everywhere else. So I do own those, but I also like to diversify and take my chances with some different type of plays. So just look at these tickers and do your research to see what they're related to, whether it be blockchain or technology or whatever. Then we put $159 in GoodRx, ticker GDRX. We got 4.31 shares, strike price of $36.87. GoodRx is like an e-commerce pharmaceutical company. You can basically use their website and get coupons for cheaper medication at a more affordable price. Some of it's probably I can't think of the word, but kind of like off-brand medication, you know what I mean? A lot of people take medication daily. A lot of people are going to start taking medication as you see the type of health crisis Americans face with obesity, diabetes, and all other types of things. And besides that, people just want to stay healthy. So, definitely a great long-term play here in GoodRx. Next, in the MooMoo account, we bought 1 share of ticker MAXR, MaxR, for $36.67. And this is a play into space. This is a space stock, another growing sector of the market. Then in the Charles Schwab account, we purchased $17 worth of Bank of America, ticker BAC. Financials are going to do very, very well in 2021. Then we bought another bank stock, Wells Fargo, WFC. Put in $18 on this one. And then we put in $19 into KHC, which is Kraft Heinz Company. Most popular probably for their Heinz ketchup. Very great dividend play. Check out their dividend yield. It's super high. Just a great passive income stock to, get you some passive income going. Then we bought CMPS in the Ameritrade account. We got 1 share at $36.81. And this is a psychedelic stock. And this is another growing sector along with cannabis in the medical sector, dealing with psychedelics. So definitely, in my opinion, a great long-term play. And it's probably the best psychedelic stock you can get. There is a few on the OTC market, the Canadian Stock Exchange, but I do not invest in those. But there's about 2 or 3 good ones as well. And then lastly, we bought 1 share of Plug, PLUG, at $36.68. Plug Power is an EV play, charging play. They also do Bitcoin mining. So definitely a nice long-term play here in Plug. So those are 9 stocks I bought. Gave you guys 6 good stock picks. Do your research, do your due diligence. See if you can add any of these to your portfolio along with me, and make some money. Once again, if you like the content, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you guys in the next one.